During the last 150 years, for the sake of running the administration, the English language was in use as a common vehicle for exchange of ideas between persons speaking the different languages of our country. Full stop. English is, however, understood only by a limited number of persons who may be called well educated. Full stop. Therefore, in a vast country like India, where several languages, entirely different from each other, are prevalent, it is very necessary that there should be one common language for the interchange of views and for keeping up healthy intercourse amongst the people. Full stop. There could be no difference of opinion in this matter. Full stop. It is with this object that the framers of our Constitution gave the significant status of national language to Hindi. Full stop. This, in no manner, diminishes the importance of the state languages. Full stop. The states are free to run their administration in the state languages and take all steps for their development. Full stop. Besides, all the state languages have originated from Sanskrit and thus they are closely related to Hindi as well. Full stop. Therefore, the improvement of one language is always supplementary to the development of the other. Full stop.